Let's try to understand how to write polynomial equation from graph. Question is, find the equation of the given octic polynomial function with y-intercept at 1.28. So octic means degree 8. So we have octic, that means degree 8, right? So we say 8 is the degree, right? Now as you can see, there are two zeros here, and the zeros are kind of very flat. So we can write those zeros as, one is at -2, the other one is at +2. So the -2 is x plus 2, and the degree, since it is octic, so degrees total is 8, so we can distribute 4 to each. So we have two zeros of degree 4. And when we are trying to find the equation, basically we are trying to find this value of a, which will be representing this particular graph along with these two factors. So that becomes our function. Now to find a, we need one particular point, and here we are given y-intercept. So y-intercept is a point where x is 0, and so we have f of 0 equals to a times, we'll put 0 here, 2 to the power of 4 times minus 2 to the power of 4, and f of 0, y-intercept, is given to us as equals to 1.28, right? So we can solve this equation and find our answer. So we have, let's reorganize. So we have a equals to 1.28 divided by, this is 2 to the power of 4 times minus 2 becomes plus 2, right? 2 to the power of 8, right? So once we divide it, we can get our answer. So we get 1.28 divided by, within brackets, 2 to the power of 8. One over 200. So we get 1 over 200. So that is the value of a. Now we can write down our function, and our answer is f of x equals to 1 over 200 times x plus 2 to the power of 4 times x minus 2 to the power of 4, right? So that becomes our answer for the given graph, right? I hope you understand the method. So the method here is, when you are given octic polynomial, you should know that all the factors' degrees, when added together, should give you 8. Find the zeros. The zeros are at minus and plus 2, so that gives us factors, which is x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now it looks like an even symmetric function, so degree 8 we divided 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Multiply by a factor a, so that we can match the y-intercept for this family of graphs. Now when you substitute the y-intercept, that is x equals to 0 and y equals to 1.28, this really means x is 0 and y is 1.28, then you have an equation from which a could be found. So once you find the leading coefficient, substitute leading coefficient and get your graph. So these are the steps to be followed to write down the equation. So we'll have a couple of more examples. I'd like you to answer those questions after pausing the video and then look into my suggestion. That way you'll gain more confidence. Thank you and all the best.